Hey guys, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I have a bit of a special unboxing today because it is just a really quick thing. I have a full face of makeup on. Shadow, what are you doing, buddy? He wants to get out. Hold on. Alright, calm down. Alright, there he goes. Anyways, guys, so I have a bit of a special unboxing today because I want to do my Cartier unboxing. I think this is going to be the first video, no, it's definitely going to be the first video that I upload for 2020, and I'm really excited. It's going to be a really short video because as you can see, I've got a full face of makeup on, but I am still actually in my PJs. That's because I am still doing some New Year's and Christmas celebrations with friends and family. I've actually been out of the house like every single day since I stopped work on the 24th. And then we go on a 2-week break and we go back to work on Monday the 6th of January. And we have actually been, or I've been out with family and friends every single day since Christmas Eve. Anyways, today is no different. I am about to head out, so that's why I've got a full face of makeup on, and I just haven't gotten changed yet. But quick video because I just want to quickly do the unboxing since I have a spare moment. It'll be my Cartier unboxing. So this is a gift from my partner, and it's really near and dear to my heart. It's very special, and let me just show you guys. So there is actually a ton of stuff. If you've watched my previous videos, you'll know there's a ton of stuff that I need to unbox. So what's going to happen is all of this is going to get unboxed over 2 videos. I'm only going to do one today, and then I'll do another one, which is my Christmas beauty haul. So I did mention that my best friend Michelle got me a Christmas gift. She is so lovely. She's honestly one of the best people in the world. She got me something from Gucci and also another brand as well, limited edition. I won't reveal that just yet. It'll go with my Christmas unboxings. So all of this, including the Dior, because it's also a beauty item here. So all of this is going to get unboxed in my Christmas beauty haul. Today's focus is going to be this amazing beauty right here. So some of you keen-eyed people will already know what this is because someone in one of my previous videos left a comment to say that they noticed it, that I was wearing it already. So it's not a true unboxing, but I wanted to still share this experience with you guys. I will probably set you guys down just there so that all the light is on my face. But oh, so this is going to be a 3rd video. I went a little bit crazy doing some homeware shopping because I have finally put in an order for a new mirror to come in. It's from a brand called West Elm, and so they are the same group company as Pottery Barn as well as Williams Sonoma. So obviously you can see the Pottery Barn bag there, and that's a Williams Sonoma box there. So I have a whole bunch of goodies. I went shopping for a mirror, found the mirror that I want, and then I went shopping for some homewares just to kind of pull the room together because it's got white marble. My mirror has white marble on it, and so far at the moment nothing in my closet has white marble, so I just needed to get some white marble pieces to kind of be matchy with the mirror. But I will unbox that in a 3rd video. But anyways, I will set you guys down. Okay guys, so it is the Cartier unboxing, and this is not an extremely expensive item, but I do have to say guys, shopping at Cartier is truly an experience. When we got there, it was amazing. The service was great. We looked at a whole lot of different things, and I'll kind of just go into the unboxing straight away, and then that way for those of you that have clicked on because of the title, you'll get the eye candy straight up, and those of you who'd like to hear my story and my experience can stay on and listen. So in the bag there is 2 boxes. So this is the cleaning kit that you get, and then there is also the main box as well. So this is where the actual item is, because this is the cleaning kit. So you get 2 Cartier boxes with every purchase. And then you get a third one, which is an envelope with your receipt and certificate of authenticity. So I will get along with unboxing the cleaning kit first, because I think you still obviously should have a look, but it's very simple. It's just a little tab here to slide open. And then what you get inside is you get the cleaning solution. So it's a little spray bottle. So you can just spray it. Not sure if it's focusing, but you can just, it's a little spray bottle, and it is lotion for jewelry and watches is what they call it. And it's 100% natural ingredients. It's composed of aqua, so that's water, anionic surfactant agents less than 5%. Not quite sure what that means, but given to you by Cartier for cleaning. And then you have a microfiber cloth as well. And then you also have a care booklet. It is absolutely stunning. So the care booklet cover is also the same kind of material as the packaging in the box, along with the bag. So everything is in this amazing kind of textured material. It's beautiful. And also you have the cleaning brush, which is just like a mini toothbrush. So I'm just going to pop everything back in here. That's that. And then you have this amazing thing here. So you actually get 3 boxes, because when you come and open this, you get, you actually get the jewelry box itself. So you get the outside box, the cover, and then inside sits the actual jewelry box, which I think is so stunning. Is that? I think Shadow's just at the door. Hold on. Shadow, come here, baby. Alright guys, sorry about that. Shadow has a big tendency to go in and out as he pleases. Okay, so in here, you click this little button, and then you get, I don't think it's going to focus properly, so I'll give you guys a close-up. But what you guys will get is so I have the Cartier C de Cartier ring. Oh, that's not going to focus. I'll give you guys a close-up. This ring is absolutely stunning. I just love it. It's so beautiful. It has got it's got a really small diamond, 0.03, but it's got Cartier kind of etched on there. So I'm just gonna slide that out. And then you have the ring. So this is 18 karat gold. You have Cartier etched on there, and then a 0.03 diamond in there. It's not, like I said at the beginning of the video, it's not hella expensive. It's like 2,500 bucks. Not hella expensive, but it means a hell of a lot to me, because this was a gift, or this is a gift from my partner, and it means so much because he recently got a promotion, pretty much doubling his salary, and he decided to splurge a little and surprise me with this. So yeah, this is such a special thing for me. And so I'll go into a bit of the story about how we went and purchased this. So we went to the store. The service was great, and we got taken around looking at all the rings, because when we went in there I actually had no idea what I wanted to get. So I wasn't sure. I knew I wanted to get a ring, but I just didn't know what kind of ring, because I just think that it's best to be surprised with those things. So Yoshi had already said, you know, hey, you know, surprise, we're gonna go jewelry shopping. And I said, okay, so let's pick out something. You know, a ring is really small. You can get like something really nice, something I can wear all the time. I have a couple of necklaces already, so I thought a ring would be perfect. Earrings, I used to have my ears pierced, but not anymore. They closed up. So yeah, so we went there and then looked at all the rings. The service was amazing, and it was just such an experience because you get taken around everywhere. I don't know if everyone gets this, but I got taken around everywhere. We went upstairs. They have a whole living area set up, so like a dining room and a living room. We got to tour that, and then we saw all the different rings from all the lines. And we settled on this because we saw the love ring in the pave, in the diamond pave. So that's basically the whole ring is like paved in diamonds. So that was about $10,000, and it had 88 diamonds, totaling I think like 1.2 carats or something. So it's not huge. The diamonds are never huge. When you buy jewelry from these big brands, just like any other brands, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Chanel, Dior, you only essentially buy it for the name and obviously the design of the bag, because you're not going to find that design anywhere else. So these diamonds, you can get a 0.03 diamond. It's really small for a lot cheaper, but you're buying the Cartier name. And you know, part of that experience is getting all of this stuff. You know, a lot of you who have been following me for a while, my unboxings, know I am a big fan of the bells and whistles. So, you know, to get a cleaning kit and also, you know, get the certificate of authenticity in such a beautiful packet as well, is just absolutely stunning. I mean, look at this envelope. You know, it's like opens up and you've got this, and it's not even expensive. You know, like I've spent $16,000 on a handbag. I spent $8,000 on a handbag, and I don't get this much stuff. You know, I don't get that sort of same experience. Don't get me wrong, those brands are amazing and the handbags are amazing, but I just think that, you know, getting all of this stuff is just such a cute thing to have. You know, and you get 3 boxes. You know, you get like the cleaning case, and then you also get the actual jewelry box, and then you also get the case that covers the jewelry box. So it's like it all goes together so well, and you can just like put it on display. So that's probably what I'm going to do as part of my homeware. I'm going to put it up somewhere and put it on display. So that is it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'm sorry I'm a bit long-winded. This was a quick video. I'm trying to keep it under 10 minutes. So thank you so much for watching, guys. You guys are absolutely amazing. I do have to rush off. I still got to get changed. But, oh, guys, this is so beautiful, and I love this so much. But love you guys so much, because I would not be able to do what I do here and maintain my day job and do everything without your support. I actually mentioned recently to someone who commented that there's just when I started this, it was such a scary experience, because to be who I am, I didn't know if everyone was gonna love that, and I don't think everyone does love that, but I just didn't expect this much positivity and support from people. I really did expect a lot of hate, a lot of trolls, and a lot of bad-hearted people, and I just haven't had that experience yet. So I do want to welcome in the new year by saying thank you to everyone. I really appreciate your support. I really truly do, and I hope that you guys will stay with me for many years to come, and I hope to be able to do this for many years to come. So thank you so much, guys. I wish everyone all the best for the new year. I know everyone is going to have a fabulous new year, because 2020 I can just feel it. It's going to be a special year. So all the best to everyone. Happy New Year, guys, and thank you again. See you in the next one.